Welcome to EnoCrowd's platform. In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to register on our platform. In order to see the challenges we have for you in detail and submit a solution, you must first complete the registration process. You can register using your email address or by logging in through your LinkedIn profile. If you decide to register using an email address, you will need to fill in your first and last name, your email address, phone number, your country, and a secure password in order to access your account. Before proceeding, please read the privacy policy and the personal data processing agreement carefully. If you agree, you can click on the checkbox to accept. If you want to receive all the updates about EnoCrowd and the challenges on our platform, click on the checkbox to receive our newsletter. A validation link will be sent to the email address you have registered on the platform. To successfully complete your profile, please verify it by accessing the email. Once your account is verified, you just need to complete your Solver profile to be able to submit solutions to the challenges on our platform. To create a Solver profile, simply select this option in the Profiles category. Here, you will have to fill in your Solver profile, indicating whether you are an individual solver or an organization. Indicate your name, your job, and select the challenge areas in your competence or those that interest you. You can choose more than one. You will receive a notification whenever we post new challenges in the areas you have selected. Before proceeding, please read the terms of the confidentiality agreement carefully. If you agree, you can click on the checkbox to accept. And that's it. Your Solver profile has been successfully completed. You can now explore our challenges and submit solutions.